kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 12, Sequence of Tenses. Okay, so let's start now this chapter, kids. Let's start. Column hai, describe the activities that Mickey Mouse is doing in the pictures. Using the tenses given in the brackets. Okay, जैसे present continuous tense में बात करना है तो क्या है ये? Mickey Mouse is eating a pudding. Okay, इस तरह हमें past perfect में, present perfect tense में, future continuous tense में convert करना है. Okay, any form of the verb that may be used to indicate the time of action. यहाँ देखिए सबसे ज़्यादा importance दिया गया है जब कार्य किस सिचुएशन में किया जा रहा है और state expressed by the verb called the and और जिससे हमें समय का ज्ञात होता है उसी को हम tense कहते हैं. Okay, चलिए we have already learned tenses and their roles in the previous classes. Yet let's revise them once again. Kinds of tenses are number first. The what tenses mean have time. There are three tenses: present, past, and future. चलिए look at the following sentences हैं. Ria understand English. Ria understood English and Ria will understand English. Ria इंग्लिश समझती है, रिया ने इंग्लिश समझी और रिया इंग्लिश समझेगी. ओके, ये तीनों क्या है? टेंस की सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर रहे हैं. तो ये हो गए हमारे टेंस. The above sentences have different meaning because different form of verb understand depict different meaning. This different form of the verb are called tenses. In the center first, the verb understands refer to the present. Therefore, said to be the present tense, simple present or the present indefinite tense. Number second है present sentence 2. The verb है understood refers to the past time and is the therefore said to be in the past tense, simple past or the past indefinite. Sentence 3 में है the verb will understand जो समझेगी will understand refers to the future tense and is therefore said to be the future tense called future indefinite. Okay, चलिए. Thus we see that there are the three main tenses हैं. Number first, simple present, simple past या simple future. या इनको कह सकते हैं present indefinite, past indefinite या फिर future indefinite. Okay, चलिए kids पढ़ते हैं present tense. Now examine the following sentences. Number first है he buys a new car. उसने एक न्यू कार खरीदता है. He is buying a car. वह कार खरीद रहा है. He has bought a car. उसने एक कार खरीद चुका है. He has been paying to buy a car since this morning. सुबह होने से पहले वह कार खरीद रहा है. Okay, चलिए. The words in all these four sentences जो verb है ये चार सेंटेंस में डिवाइड है. रेफर टू द ये बताते प्रेजेंट टाइम को. सेड टू बी द प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस के चारों फॉर्मों में यह कन्वर्ट होती है. ओके, सेंटेंस फर्स्ट कहता है बाइज डज नॉट indicate whether the action is complete or not. It is the therefore said to be the simple present या पर present indefinite. Next sentence 2. The one who is buying indicate an action that is still going on. It is therefore said to be the present continuous tense. Number third is sentence 3. The verb has bought indicates that the action is completed. यहाँ पर action क्या जा रहा है? Completed है. It is therefore said to be the present perfect tense. Next है in sentence 4. The verb has been tried indicates that the action begins in the past and is still continuing. It is therefore said to be in the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, चलिए. Thus we see that the present tense has four different forms: present indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Okay, चलिए. आगे है not. Present continuous tense for the future. We can also use the present continuous tense to talk about the future. Present continuous tense जो होते हैं वो लगातार कार्य तो हो रहा है लेकिन फ्यूचर की बात भी बताते हैं. If we add a future word, future would include tomorrow, next year, in June, at Christmas, etc. Only the present continuous tense is used to talk about the future when we have planned to do something before we speak. We have already made a decision and a plan before speaking. चलिए examples हैं. You are eating in the restaurant tonight. We have already booked the table. चलिए they can play tennis with you tomorrow. They are not working. Next, when are you starting your new jobs? Remember, present continuous tense is used only for words of action, that is eat, look, live, hear, listen, search, etc. Next, avoid using the following in the present continuous tense. Words of the appearance, example appear, sing. Word of the participations है, example find, hear, small, see, taste, etc. Words of the conditions है, want, wish, desire, etc. Words of thinking है, think, believe, trust, consider, remember, forget, etc. Next, here how the habit showing possession. Example है want, possess, belongs, etc. Okay, चलिए. Just as the present tense has 4 forms, the past tense and the future tense also have 4 forms. Number first is past tense. Now examine the following sentence है. I bought a car. ये क्या हो गया? Simple past indefinite tense. I was trying to buy a new car. मैं एक नई कार खरीद रहा था. ये हो गया past continuous tense. I had bought a car. मेरे पास एक कार है या मैं कार खरीद चुका था. ये हो गया past perfect. I had been trying to buy a new car since morning. सुबह में मैंने एक न्यू कार खरीदी थी. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ बी एंड हैव वर्ब्स. वर्ब बी हैव 2 फॉर्म्स इन द पास्ट टेंस, was और were. जैसे फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ होता है आई के साथ was और बी के साथ were. सेकंड पर्सन के साथ you और थर्ड पर्सन होता है he, she, it के साथ was और they के साथ were. We have had only one form in the past tense. Had to make a negative sentence statement, we use had not and had not. Okay, चलिए. I had, यहाँ पर केवल एक ही होती है had. हैव फॉर्म में क्या आती है? पास्ट में फर्स्ट पर्सन हो या सेकंड पर्सन हो, सब में के साथ क्या यूज होता है? हैड का. ओके, आई हैड. अफर्मेटिव में नेगेटिव बोलेंगे आई हैड नॉट. इसी तरह वी हैड, नेगेटिव वी हैड नॉट. यू हैड, नेगेटिव यू हैड नॉट. दे हैड, नेगेटिव दे हैड नॉट. इट हैड नॉट. शी और ही हैड नॉट. ओके, चलिए. Not have. The perfect continuous tense requires the use of for period of time and since for the point of time. Examples हैं. I have been playing for hour. He has been studying in this school for 6 years. I have been playing since morning. Okay, चलिए. Remember है. Put the verb expressing the completed actions into the past perfect tense and the verbs expressing the subsequently action into the past indefinite tense. The simple past tense examples है. Raghav had worked upon that project before we thought of beginning it. Mother had organized the party and we only planned for it. Okay, चलिए. Never use the past perfect tense in a simple sentence. Use less words like already, before, since, still, etc. the mentioned or understood. Examples and she already completed her work on time. He had never seen a lion before. Raju has not met Miss since his wedding. They had not eaten lunch till 6 p.m. Okay, चलिए. Future tense है. Now examine the following sentence. Number first है, I will buy a car. Simple future, the future indefinite tense. I will be trying to buy a car. ये हो गया future continuous tense. I will have bought a car. ये हो गया हमारा future perfect tense. I will be trying to buy a car since morning. ये हो गया future perfect continuous tense. Okay? चलिए. Remember points हैं? Will is used when we talk about another person's expectations or when mentions about the expectation. Example है I will reach the school in time. He will arrive tomorrow. They will go to Delhi. You will play in this tree. चलिए shall is mainly used with I and we as the subject of the sentence. It's used in a more formal manner than greater importance is given to a subject. Examples है we shall attend the ceremony. He shall not react in such a rude manner. Okay. So next is the following table clearly indicates on the third form of the verb to play. जैसे प्रेजेंट की बात होती है सिंपल में आई प्ले, कंटिन्यूअस कहता है आई एम प्लेइंग, परफेक्ट कहता है आई हैव प्लेड और परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस कहता है समय के साथ आईएनजी लगना, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म भी लगनी है तो बोलेंगे आई हैव बीन सेइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. चलिए पास्ट में करते हैं आई प्लेड, V2 वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म आई वाज प्लेइंग, मैं खेल रहा था, आई हैड प्लेड मैं खेला था, खेल चुका था या आई हैड बीन प्लेइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. फ्यूचर है आई शैल प्ले, आई शैल प्लेइंग, आई शैल हैव प्लेइंग, आई शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. ओके चलिए रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड द गिवन कॉम्बिनेशन केयरफुली. नंबर फर्स्ट है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस था और दूसरी तरफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का. It shows that an action has started and finished in the past. Example, he stopped the scooter near his office. It shows an action which has been completed just now. Example, Akshay has drunk the milk. चलिए simple past tense. It show actually time of action. Example, I purchased the cycle last week. Present perfect है I does not refer to exercise. कोई एक्सरसाइज नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल आई परचेज देयर साइकिल. स्पेसिफिक एक्सपीरियंस है लाइक यस्टरडे, लास्ट ईयर आर यूज टू शो द एक्शन कंप्लीटेड. एग्जाम्पल है आई यूज द पेन यस्टरडे. 3 एक्सप्रेशंस लाइक येट, नेवर, ऑलरेडी, एग्जिट आर यूज. एग्जाम्पल्स है आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज द पेन. यदि बात करें सिंपल पास्ट की, it refers to a past habit he always carry his lunch. It refers to actions. The formal action is written in the past perfect and the latter in the simple past. Example है my father had finished the task before I asked him for food. It refers to the action completed in the past. Example है he meet me at the fixed time. इसका it is used in the reported speech with the words like said, asked, told, etc. Example है she told me that her puppy had left there. Okay? चलिए the sequence of the tenses है the tense of the verb in the subordinate clause changes in accordance with the tense of the verb in the main clause. Number rows was. If the verb in the principal clause is in the present or the future tense, okay? The verb is in the subordinate clause may be in any tenses depending upon the sense to be expressed. Check the examples in. She says that work is complete. She says that she works at night. She says she will have his birthday. She will say that she loves fielding. He will say that she baked cake. He will come to so that he may see you. Okay? Check it. Rule second है, if the tense in the principal clause is in the past tense, the tense is the subordinate clause will be the corresponding past tense. Examples हैं, he knew that Ashish was not sad. He succeeded because he planned according to the strategy. चलिए आगे है केस एक्सेप्शंस टू रूल सेकंड. Number first है the past tense in the main clause may be followed by a present tense in the subordinate clause. When the subordinate clause expresses some universal joke. Example है our teacher taught us that God is one. Number two, he said that the earth revolves round the sun. Next way, if the subordinate clause is introduced by than or as much as, its verb can be of any tense that suits the sense. Example just she taught me better than she taught you. Okay? चलिए next है C point. If the subordinate clause is introduced by the conjunction list, the verb in it is always should whatever may be the tense in the principal clause. Example है he studied hard list, he should fail. Next is the conjunctions as if and though always take a past tense in the subordinate clause. Whatever the tense in the principal clause is, it takes as if the were this. Next rules third का in conditional sentences, both the principal and the subordinate clause indicate future tense. The tense of the verb in the principal clause is future, and that of the verb in subordinate clause is present. Examples है if you come tomorrow, I shall show you a castle. Okay, चल. Okay. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood that. Thank you. Have a nice day.